Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you a quick question. When you see that little notification bubble telling you an update is available, what do you do? Do you click install now or do you click remind me later? And then again, remind me later and then again and again. If you are a professional procrastinator when it comes to updates, you are not alone. We often think of updates as just getting new features or a different look. But the truth is, they are one of the most critical things you can do for your digital life. Today we are going to cover 3 key things. Number 1, why? Why these updates are so much more than just a cosmetic change. How can you set it and forget it with automatic updates on almost any device? And a scary real world example of what happened when you ignore updates on a massive scale. This is a simple yet critical security practice that everyone needs to know. Let's get into it. Part 1. Why updates are your first line of defense. Think of your phone or computer like your house. You have doors and windows and you lock them to keep unwanted people out. In the digital world, your software, your operating system, your web browser, your apps also has doors. These are called vulnerabilities. Hackers are constantly searching for these open windows to sneak in and access your data, install malware, or even take control of your device. When developers release a software update, they aren't just adding new emojis. A huge part of that update is what's called a patch. A patch is a fix that closes that security holes. It's like a digital handyman coming to your house to fix a broken lock you don't even know you had. By not updating, you are essentially leaving that broken door unfixed, making it easy for attackers to get in. Part 2. How to get automatic updates. Set it and forget it. The best way to handle this to take the guesswork out of it. Let's turn on automatic updates so your devices protect themselves. I will show you how on the most common platforms. First up, Windows. On Windows 10 or 11, it's super easy. Click on the Start menu, go to Settings, select Updates and Security, and for Windows 11, select Windows Update on the left menu. From here, you can check updates manually, but the important part is in the Advanced option. Make sure options like Receive updates for other Microsoft products and downloads over metered connections are set how you like them. Windows is designed to update automatically by default, so just make sure you haven't paused updates for indefinitely. Next, for the Mac OS users. On a Mac, click on the Apple menu on the top left corner. Then go to System Settings or System Preferences on older versions. Click on General and then Software Updates. You will see a section for automatic updates. Download new updates when available and most importantly, install security responses and system files. This ensures the most critical patches are installed without you having to do anything. And of course, our smartphones. This is crucial because we carry them everywhere. On an iPhone, go to Settings, tap on General, tap Software Update, tap Automatic Updates and make sure Download iOS Updates and Install iOS Updates are both turned on. On Android, for security updates, go to Settings, scroll down to System and then System Update. Your phone will tell you if your system is up to date and should download major updates automatically. For your apps, open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon at the top right, go to Settings, then Network Preferences and tap Auto Update Apps. You can set it to update over Wi-Fi only to save your mobile data. Part 3. A cautionary tale, the WannaCry attack. So what happened when updates are ignored? Let me tell you a story. It's about a piece of ransomware called WannaCry. In May 2017, the WannaCry ransomware worm spread across the globe like wildfire. It infected over 230,000 computers in 150 countries. It locked up the files of hospitals, transport system and major corporations, demanding a ransom payment in Bitcoin to get them back. The most shocking part, the vulnerability WannaCry used, known as Eternal Blue, was not a secret. Microsoft has released a security patch to fix this exact vulnerability 2 months before the attack. The organizations that were hit the hardest, the ones that didn't apply that crucial security update. They were running outdated Windows systems. Hospitals in UK had to turn away patients. Train schedules were disrupted in Germany. And companies worldwide ground to a halt. All of this chaos was largely preventable with a simple software update that was already available. The WannaCry attack was a brutal wake-up call for the entire world, demonstrating in real time why ignoring updates is so dangerous. Conclusion and call to action. So let's recap. Software updates patch critical security holes. Enabling automatic updates is the easiest way to stay protected, and ignoring them can have disastrous consequences, as we saw with WannaCry. My challenge to you is this: as soon as this video is over, take 60 seconds to go check your update settings on your computer and your phone. It's one of the simplest, most effective thing you can do to protect your digital life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more essential tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Stay safe out there, and I will see you in the next one.